Hi, welcome to KV's Plants and Orchids. You are seeing my Anthurium plants. This is a ordinary variety. It is been with me for many years. You could see one is in bloom and this is about to open. I have two varieties only. This is in bloom. Actually this was I have kept it in ground. Then some 6 months back I reported it in pots. So because of that it had some problem. Otherwise the flowers used to be big. So it took time to get into the potting mixture and all. Otherwise it was in the ground only. The ground it was okay. Then a lot of other plants were coming and so I decided to keep it in the pot only. So Anthurium, it is used as a cut flower variety also. Lot of varieties are there. This is the ordinary variety. So maybe because of it's ordinary variety only. But the flower used to be big. Now that I reported and then it started growing, it is looking very small. You would see some of the leaves are very big. I will tell you the care of the plant. You need a potting mixture somewhat like orchid only. So you can see I have put coals and this coconut husk, and in this I have put more of coal and coconut husk. The coconut husk, what happens is after some time it deteriorates. Then you need to change the medium. So what I did is I put more of coal so that coal will be there. Coal takes the water and it is somewhat not like the ordinary plants. They like to live in coconut husk, and some people even add pieces of pot or bricks, mud pot pieces or the bricks they add. Since I don't put all those things, I just put coal and coconut husk which is available for me here. That is the potting mixture. They would like to have holes in the pot. So you can see the holes. See the air. They take food from the atmosphere also, the roots. So they would like to have holes in the pots so that they can come out, and in the potting mixture itself has more aeration in it. And the fertilization is I give this coconut water also. Then I put recently I put some vermicompost and cow dung mixture. So I am not giving it any chemical fertilizer because I am scared I may spoil it, because when it was in ground it was far more better and without giving much fertilizer. I don't give any foliage fertilizer also. Only that when it was in ground I was giving more of cow dung, and with that it was coming. So when I reported it in this thing, I put some more vermicompost to it. Other than that I have not given anything. Watering is in the summer season. I water every day. Now that it is rainy season, it is sitting in rain only. It doesn't have any problem. So I am not watering it. Today also it had a small rain, so because of that the leaves are little bit wet. See, the flower is also wet. Propagation is, this is the mother plant, biggest plant I have. See, it goes like this and the small pups appear nearby the root. So you can always take it out. This is another root. This you can just take it and plant it. Here I will show you. This plant has more, see, small pups appear. Since this also I reported it, it's just not grown much. So you can just remove those small pups nearby the plant and repot it. That is one way. In the nurseries they do artificial pollination and then takes the seeds and then make different hybrid varieties, but at home we can only take these things which appears here. Also one plant is there and another small plant is coming. Like this you just remove it and take it out. I had only one plant and from that only I have made all these plants. Hope you like the video of Anthurium plant. If you like it, press the like button. Thank you for watching.